What is going on, everyone? It is Garrett, and welcome to my my video. This is going to be the tutorial update video talking about what I'm going to be doing, what's happening with my tutorials, why I'm not doing gaming tutorials anymore, and basically all that kind of stuff like that. So the first thing I do want to say is right off the bat, there's going to be like a little notification thing here. I want you to go on my channel right now and click the little bell for the subscribe icon. What's going to happen is if whenever I upload, you guys are going to get a notification on your phone, on your laptop, on a tablet, whatever you guys use for YouTube. And what's going on a lot with YouTube is they're not notifying their subscribers, and I know everyone talks about it, but I want to make sure that everyone that wants to know how to do design stuff, they're interested in my channel, has that notification thing on. And if you guys do click it on, take a screenshot, send it to me on Twitter, and we'll basically go from there. So to talk about my whole video section now, so all my tutorials is kind of what ran my channel in the beginning. I uploaded them all the time. I have over 400 uploads. I'm pretty sure 80% of them are tutorials. But I want to keep doing them. I want to break away from gaming, and the reason behind that is since Infinite Warfare, kind of Call of Duty in itself died. I'm not a big League of Legends kid. I don't play any computer games. I don't like Fortnite. So I want to kind of break away from all that kind of gaming stuff, and I want to make tutorials based off of like serious things and like things you can use in the real world. Like all my clients that I have now are either business people or people that are getting logos to make a business. Like a lot of the time I rarely get stream designs to do. I rarely get gaming people to make stuff for, and of course like the more professional that people are that pay for stuff, the higher I get paid. So you guys gotta understand, some of you make Twitter headers for $15 and I might make a logo for $1,500, so you gotta find like the balance throughout there. And I think that me making these kind of tutorials that are more professional is gonna help you guys make a lot more money. It's gonna help you guys, you know, get out of the whole gaming scene, because you guys get jibbed, you know, all the time. Like you guys do stream designs for 25 bucks. Meanwhile, there's people getting paid $300 to do it, thousands of dollars. You guys are doing logos for $15 so you guys can go out to Chipotle and go buy food, when you guys can really be making them for like $1,000. So I really want to get you guys more professional clients, and definitely out of the realm of gaming, just because you guys get ripped off, they don't appreciate people. A lot of them even expect free work. So that's going to be a huge part, is me getting everyone out of that gaming scene. Tutorials are going to be logos, they're going to be advertisements, they're going to be, you know, getting your name out there, stuff like that, but it's definitely going to be less Twitter headers, less overlays. If you guys want to see that kind of stuff, there's 100 other designers that make that kind of stuff. I'm not going to be one of them anymore. So I would just go to my sub box or whatever. There's a bunch of people in there that do them. Of course on YouTube you can search them up. There's a bunch of people that make these kind of tutorials. But going more professional, I do want to announce that I am partnered with Envato now, so a lot of my videos are going to have a lot better, animations, a lot better effects, lower thirds. You guys can see I have lower thirds in these videos. It's because Envato has gave me the ability to go get whatever I want. I can use them in my video. In return, I have to make, you know, some videos using their products. But the way I'm going to run that is I'm going to make a tutorial on how to create a lower third, how to animate it, and then at the end of the video, I will shout out someone's link to go purchase a lower third pack or however it is. I'm never going to make you guys go out and buy something to make your videos better. It's just kind of going to be a choice, and of course if you guys do use the link in the description to go buy something, I get revenue from it. I'll be straight up from that. It's not a lot, but you know, it's going to help me, you know, get new equipment. It's going to help me get a new computer, camera, live in my apartment, you know, the list basically goes on. So they did partner, and there's gonna be a lot more information about that soon, but I do want to let you guys know that that definitely happened, that we signed everything, and it's a done deal. So expect a lot of stuff like that, and like I said, it's gonna be like how to create lower thirds, and it's gonna be me basically creating them, and then at the end of the video give you guys like a download link to the one that I created, and then go on Envato. You guys can purchase a huge pack of them for like 20 bucks. So it's something like that I'm gonna be running my channel on. But going more into detail about my YouTube tutorials and stuff like that, uploading wise, it's going to be every Wednesday, and it's either going to be 1 or 2 uploads a day or a week. So the way I'm going to run that is the first upload is going to be, let's say, Photoshop, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make, like I used in the other example of the Fortnite logo. Like I know I'm saying I'm not doing gaming anymore, but just as an example, doing a Fortnite logo in Photoshop. An hour later, I'll upload an Illustrator version. I had to do that as well. That's going to be kind of the way I'm doing it. Instead of me uploading the same tutorial in a different software, it's going to be the same day, different software. Then you guys can basically choose which one you want to watch. It's going to be a lot easier for me, a lot more beneficial for you guys, and definitely going to help me get a lot more uploads out and a lot more informational videos. But the goal for basically my tutorials is just to get you guys more into Adobe. Like, I know a lot of you guys just sit there in Photoshop making logos and stuff, so I think if we branch off to Illustrator, or go from After Effects into Premiere, or Premiere into After Effects, or UIs in Photoshop to InDesign, stuff like that, or sorry, XD, but InDesign printing compared to Photoshop printing, CMYK versus RGB, all that kind of stuff, I think a lot of people don't know about, so I think my tutorials are going to help you guys. But, you know, like, going from there, one big thing I want to include is college, and I have this idea, which it's kind of a little rough because I don't know how college guidelines work out and if I can't disclose information about classes I take. But what I have an idea is, let's just say I'm in school and, what is it, May? So a few months ago, I went to my college, which is University of the Arts in Philadelphia, and we took a quick class, and what we did is we made 3 poster designs based off of where we are now, where we were in the past, and what we are in the future. And we can only use symbols, we could only use typography. We had like an hour and a half to create 3 posters, including 6 or 8 thumbnail sketches for each. Typography only and the symbols only they provided, and you basically had to go from there. Now, I think it's a good idea if I could maybe add that into my, you know, YouTube channel. I can give you guys like a monthly challenge, a weekly challenge, do something that I did in class that I think is going to help benefit you guys, and then I'll be the teacher and I'll rank on how you guys did. I can tell you guys what you need to work on more. I can do a huge live stream on stuff like that. But that's basically the idea I had. Now let me know in the comments below what you think, because it's a lot more based off you guys in the community rather than what I want to do, but I do want to balance it out, you know, both ways. So that's basically it. I don't want to go too much into this. Just make sure to let me know in the comments, you know, what you want to do. I do want to branch off into more traditional art, so a lot of sketching, a lot of painting, obviously digital. I'm going to keep digital, but I want to go back into, you know, drawing and stuff like that, because a lot of people can't draw, and it's, you know, it's a little depressing because a lot of people can create these amazing things in Photoshop, but they can't grab a pencil and they can't go draw a circle and shade it properly. So I think I want to basically make my channel into something that's going to help you guys get better in art overall, rather than me just brainwashing you guys on how to add filters on Photoshop, if you know what I mean. But I'm trying to basically read my computer right now, going back and forth on what I want to do. That's really it. You know, lastly, you guys can tell me anything you want. I want you guys to always email me. There's an email right here on the screen somewhere. I want you guys to always email me any video ideas that you have, anything you want to learn. If you have any questions, my email is always in the description below. It's always on the screen somewhere. It's always somewhere that you guys can click on and email me. I'll answer it probably within 24 hours. And I want to know what you guys want to see on my channel. Of course, some of you are going to be bummed out I'm not doing Twitter headers anymore, but you got to understand it's a $5 business compared to a $1,000 business. And none of you are going to be walking away driving a brand new car making Twitter headers for 5 years, you know what I mean? So you got to definitely take into consideration where you want to be and how you want to get there. A lot of the professional people, they might make Twitter headers for crazy esport people and get paid, you know, $100 for that. But, you know, you could do 10 Twitter headers for $10 each and make $100. You can do 10 logos for $100 each and make $1,000. So you guys got to look at it that way too. And in my tutorials, it's going to help that. My design casts, my weekly videos are definitely going to get you guys where you want to be. So like I said, just make sure you turn the notifications on. Let me know what you guys want to see on my channel, and that's basically all I have for today. In a few days, I'll have another video talking about my design cast, and then the next week after that, everything starts the regular uploads, tutorials, design cast, my vlog update video. Maybe it'll be a video like this or whatever, but it's basically what I want to do. So thank you guys for basically watching the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. And like I said, my email is always somewhere in the video. You guys can always email me, Twitter, DM me, basically anything, and let me know in the comments what you guys want to see on the channel and what you think about me branching away from all the gaming stuff. Other than that, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.